Hello friends, my name is Himanshu and welcome back. In this video, I will make you understand of the particular tool which is Scenario Manager. Scenario Manager comes under what if analysis and is something very important. Now, before we get deep into this, we need to understand why we need to use Scenario Manager at all. In order to make you understand this, I will have to take an example. So the example is, let's say if I'm going in a meeting and I've got three executives under me named Ram, Shyam, Vikas. You may see in this data, and the marketing cost which they are going to get, it's not sure. Maybe they will get the same marketing cost which is being mentioned here, so that will be considered as average cost. Might be they will get more than that, and that can be considered as high cost, and might be they will get less cost, that will be considered as low cost. So rather than writing it down in a paper, I want to create a scenario in this very system, so whenever it's going to be required, I will just click on that and will make use of it. So how to do that? First of all, I will have to do the selection of all these three cells where I'm going to set the scenario. These cells should not contain any formula. Okay, then I'm going to what if analysis and I need to click on Scenario Manager. Here you need to click on add and you need to give again a scenario name. I'm giving an appropriate name which is high cost, and changing cell is from C3 till C5 which is correct, and click on OK. You will get to see the values which is currently there, and you may change the value as per the scenario that you have suggested. So for the high cost, I'm giving the value by myself. So for C3, this means for Ram, the cost should be, when the scenario is high, then it should be 6,800. You may give according to your understanding. For C4, I'm giving, and here click on OK, and high cost scenario has been saved. Again I'm clicking on add, and this time low cost, and in low cost I'm giving a bit low values. Done. And another one is I'm considering as average cost, and here I'm not going to change the value. I want to keep the value as it is. Click on OK. Close. So now I'm in a meeting, and let's say high cost has been decided. So what I will do, I will go to what if analysis, Scenario Manager, and I will click on high cost. You may see the value which I have saved on high cost, that value is now here. If low cost value will come, average cost value will come. Another advantage is, if for some reason if you have lost the data, then also going back to the Scenario Manager, you may retrieve that. Go to Scenario Manager and you will have your data back. Now I am going to there is another data here, it's the data sheet. There is another data sheet, and I've got a similar data here also. I'm going to save another scenario. I've taken this 3 cell and I'm going to set a scenario, what if analysis, Scenario Manager, add, and here I am giving very high cost. Click on OK, and the value that I'm going to set is very high, in fact. So this is another scenario. Click OK. Done. Now both the data are same, and that has to be the case in order to what I want to make you understand. You have got to see one of the advantage of it. Now another functionality of it is such, here there are 3 scenarios which are saved in this particular sheet. If I want to merge another scenario which is there in different data but same sort of location, then I can do that. So I will click on what if analysis, Scenario Manager, and here there is one option of merge. Click on merge and select the file name. So this is the file name, function data. You will click on the sheet and you will get to see if there is any scenario in this or not. So I'm looking for the scenario in another data. Here you can see there is one scenario, and I will click on OK in order to merge that scenario in this particular sheet. Okay, so now here you can see there are 4 scenarios, and if I'm going to use this scenario, which is very high cost, double click, you may see those values have came here. Another important aspect of it is that you may get the summary also on the basis of scenario. So in order to have the summary, you need to go to what if analysis, scenario manager once again, and click on summary. It's asking for result cell, which is not required here, and click on OK. This is the scenario summary, and this is in different sheet altogether. Here you can see current value, high cost, low cost, average cost, very high cost. So whatever scenarios you have saved, you will get to see the summary of all this. So this is how we can make use of scenario manager. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.